So the first shop house we've gone to look at, great location. So we've got Ian today, who's been amazing. We have a few properties to look at. We're looking at shop houses. This is for me, not for you. This is going to be for the business, the startup. So again, Ian, and our estate agency is Arkoun.
From Arkoun,
Arkoun, lovely. So you guys need anything from accommodation, shop houses, apartments, Arkoun, lovely. Awesome. Let's have a look then. Cool. Okay. Nice big windows, front gated, it can be cornered off on the side, so very nice, good. Arkoun, thank you. Fan, big storage space at the back, I'll video everything so everyone knows. Then as we go up here, go on, sorry. As we go up here, you have an extra room, lighting, have to put the AC in yourself, and it's front gated, so it's good. It's a good open space. Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
How much is this one for?
This is a 500.
Okay.
Right.
Nice. Okay.
500.
And the location's good.
Yeah, the location is behind the Arkoun supermarket here.
Yeah, and Badang's like Arkoun market.
Sure.
So we'll get them here.
Sure.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Barang always walk along here.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, customers.
Previously they are running for the restaurant.
Yeah.
And then they move to another place.
Oh, okay.
And here, you can take it out.
Yeah, the
and
menu.
then you put on your supplements.
Yeah.
Feature.
We have big savar. You know, monkey? I make big savar like this, big thing. So I put out here. Yeah, it'll be good.
You have big spa.
I make, yeah. So the first place, which has amazing space and the price is good, but best of all the location, Arkoun market down the road. So our Khmer brother, we're going to see the second place. Let's go have a look. As we're waiting for the lovely landlord, look at this beautiful dog. Go on. Sai is not street smart, so he thinks everything wants to play. Beautiful though, beautiful dog. Okay, so great location, it's just off road 6, big front driveway which is nice. And then the building, cool. So bank space, beautiful inner space. So this would be good for the storage and for someone to work on their desk, online sales. Then we have a shower room. Quickly show the shower room. Good, lovely, easy, nice and simple. And then a second door, they can come into your shop space. So Gorilla Nutrition, exactly, you can do it out front actually. The weather's beautiful here. Get the supplements out front, do some games, have the shop space, wardrobe. Have to install.
Sure, install there.
So for the
You install that this year, 2 years like that, you know, you need to install.
yeah.
But up to you, 1 year first.
Oh, good. 350 an hour. Khmer brother here would negotiate this, so it's good space, good space. So this property's 250. 250. Some upstairs space now. This would just be for storage, the location's not good. But you do have this big open space, downstairs kitchen, an indoor balcony, I don't know why. But to have storage is a good space, 250.
thì vẫn là tự do tiền
So for the price of it, for 250, you do get a lot of space. You really do. You go out to the front, you've got a more open area. This could be a shop space or an entrance if you designed it. So it's good. It's just in the middle of nowhere, you know. So the third property, it was nice. It had a lot of space, but on a lot of them you don't have the kitchen space. You have to buy AC and install it. So we're off to the fourth one, but this gentleman's been a lot of help, so very good.
Did you get in?
The first one that has to go.
Okay, next location is down the road from Old Market. 500. Okay, beautiful.
អូអានេះសំអស់ហើយណាទូទៅលើទៅខាង
បាទ
ខាងនេះអានេះ
នេះផង
អូអានេះដែរ
បាទ
នេះបានអានេះមួយដែរណាអត់ដាក់ទូអីនេះអត់ទេ
បាទស្អី
This is belong to the house as well.
Really?
Yeah, the one
Little
here.
shop.
Side room?
Sure. Here, upstairs, downstairs.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. ចឹងតាមនេះទាំងអស់នេះបង
បាទ
ប្អូនណា
អត់តែអីទេ
បាទ
Now is it livable to cover the cost?
អូតាមមើលខ្លួននេះ
Okay.
អូយលោកទៅ
Some beams, counter space, kitchen space.
ពួកគាត់នេះអត់ស្រួល
Okay, big space, very big.
It's very big for the storage.
Yeah,
គាត់មាន
perfect
ទូ
for
កា
work.
គ្នាបានមកកញ្ឆាតាម
បាទ
តាមឡានមានផ្លូវណាបង
អ
Stairs.
ើទៅបានត
អឺ
ប្រព័ន្ធភ្លើង
បាទ
ចូលកាត់ភ្លើងអស់ទៅ
It doesn't have the
Electric.
electricity yet.
Okay, okay.
Electric.
$500 for the asking price. Upstairs is nice. Even that being on the main road is good. Okay. This property, I want to walk through it again. This is a little gem. If you know Siem Reap and Old Market, this is right down the road. So the idea that it's structurally great, the counter space, everything like that. You got bathrooms at the back, you got shower, but the electricity's disconnected. So he has to work on it. It needs a lot of cleaning. But it's a place you could live, have a beautiful cafe upstairs. Very nice. I'll quickly show again, just to talk about this. Go upstairs. So you can have storage for the business. The front area is the shop. It's locked. But then upstairs is like this perfect natural lighting space for a cafe. So, $500 a month. Oh, even more.
Yeah, a lot.
ជាងរត់ចំហៅឲ្យស្រួយនេះបានដល់ហើយ
Oh, and even at the back. Oh, this is for
Basically the
my.
kitchen, yeah?
Yeah,
And have light solar connection. Yes.
yeah.
នេះគាត់ទៅ
I have one more Thailand here.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
There's a lot. There's a lot here, which is good.
Yeah, a lot.
A lot of work to do, but it's still a good location.
Sure,
Something
need to be cleaning it again.
very, yeah.
Repaint or something.
Yeah.
Yes.
Interesting. Very
The
interesting.
space.
If you guys didn't know, Nick's restaurant that's on Soksam Road, this dog here, when I first saw him, he wasn't allowed in. His skin was scabby and he really didn't look healthy. He would come in and fall over on the edge. But now look at him. Hey, and he's become a part of the restaurant. Very nice. Even Sai's okay with him. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Come back for the next day.
You speak my right?
Tick tick, tick tick, come on. So we've come back and I didn't get to show you upstairs. I think this is the place we're going to take. Big glass door room, right? This could be living space. Downstairs could be business. Front shop is very exciting. I feel like a child. Front shop, side door downstairs. Now it needs cleaning. It needs a lot of cleaning. And we have to make it feel homely, but this could be our home for 2024, right? Bathroom, second bathroom, shower, bedroom, exciting stuff. I don't know why, but the last tenants, when they were moving out, probably something happened with the landlord and it was a bit of anger. Every connection has been severed. Like nothing is connected anymore, which means if Abby and his team, if the price is right, you're gonna have to redo the whole building. If you're an electrician or you know anything about this, comment down below. Any help is welcome. Very quick one all, for those of you that have been supporting Slainian and the beautiful coffee shop that's still doing very, very well. She's just told me, if you unlock that open. So, Slainian was chased by a dog and she's scraped the skin off of her leg. Now, this is what I'm being told. Let me try and get it clear enough. Now I'm very poor because she has to pay for the disease on her leg. If anyone wants to help her out with medical bills, feel free to send it over. I'll give you the receipt from the hospital. So if you want to help out, links are down below, okay? Okay, bye. Okay. So those were the shop houses. We've found one we're gonna take, so make sure you like, subscribe, join us. Slainian's still working hard, very hard worker. I'm tired, so come out your shell, find simplistic happiness. Bye.
Okay.